It's a little brighter than I'm used to. Howdy, folks. So, it's a nice, beautiful day outside today. Just got off work. Got my little man with me. You say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Ha. We're gonna cold start the 86. It's been 4 days.
86.
So we'll see. Is that the 86? Yeah. Let's see how we can do. All right. We need the keys. Is this the right one? I don't think that's the right one. We need the round one, don't we? Watch your head. All right. Come here. Oh, it's getting heavy. All right. Sitting down. Good job. Are you ready? You ready? You say, come on. Come on. All right. It's probably going to start right up. This is going to be disappointing. Yeah. A little high on the idle. Was that cool? Yeah? All right. You wave. Wave. Hi. All right. Oh, you don't need a duck. Come here. Did you have fun? Did you have fun starting the truck? Yeah? Okay. Gotta love 2-year-olds.